Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi Theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've got a great one for you today. Divi is a fantastic platform, but the contact form unfortunately doesn't allow you to upload and send files to people. So today we've got a bit of a workaround for you. We've got a free online form service that you can use to do this. Really easy to do, so let's get started. We're going to be using JotForm for this today. So you want to go to jotform.com and you'll need to sign in with an email. I've signed in with my Google. And once you're in there, you'll be given the option to create forms. So I'm going to hit the create form button. I'm going to go ahead and use a template. You can import forms and create signable documents. It's got some fantastic features. I'm going to use a template. I'm going to go down here. I want a file upload form, and there's 107 versions right there. So just click on the thing that you're looking for or close to it. You can build from scratch if you want to. And we got video submit, resume, file attachment form, send us your files form, etc. I'm going to use this send us your files form right here. I'm going to hit the use template right here, just underneath. And here it is, it pops up a version of it. And all these fields are editable. Just click on a field. Put in whatever it is you want to put in there. And you can move these up and down simply by left clicking and dragging. Full name and that's absolutely fine. Get them to put their email in here. File types that they can choose here, there's several. If you hit the edit options, you can delete or add file types if you want to, right here. Hit the save changes button. Then we've got that file upload box, that's absolutely fine, and a message. I think I'll put that at the bottom of my file upload. So again, I'm just clicking on it, left clicking, dragging and dropping. Okay, let's move on to the settings tab. We'll give it a name. This is for your account, so when you go back into JotForm, you can see which form is which there, title right there. Form status, we want this enabled, that's fine. Email. And if you click on the notifications, you can edit it. And you can simply go in there, get rid of that email. Let's put in a new one. And we'll save the changes there. You can create conditional logic. I'm not going to go through all these. Have a look around. You can choose to have it go to a thank you page. That's fine. Show a thank you page. Or you can redirect to any external link or URL. That's fine because it'll pop up in the field, and I'll demonstrate that in a minute. You can integrate this form with other apps if you want to. And you can create approval flows if you need to. They've even got a sign option here, which will allow people to actually sign forms, which is great. And you've got mobile notifications also. I'm happy with just doing this email on that. When you're happy with what you've got there, just go ahead and hit the publish. Great, now we want to move this into our Divi website. So what I'm going to use for this today is an embed code. And we can embed it by just hitting the embed right here. And here's our script, our little source code. Let's copy this code here. And we can go back to our Divi site. Let's enable the Visual Builder. And we'll go down. I've got a section here with a row in it. And I've got my other form in here. It doesn't show up on the back end, but it is actually there in that code module. So I'm going to get rid of that code module. We'll add a new module to our row. Obviously, you need to put this on the page wherever you want to put your form. I'm going to go down, add a code module. There it is right there. And we'll paste our code in there. We'll save the changes. And like I say, you can't see this on the back end, but that form is actually there. Let's save our page changes, little purple button. And exit the Visual Builder. And if we roll on down, there's our little form, contact us today. Let's fill it out and try it out. I'll put my name in. and my email. Now we want to select the file type that we want to upload here. And remember, we can edit these at any time. Let's add a document. So here's my file. And here's where we upload our file. I've got a regular sort of Word document here. I'm going to drag it over and drop it in there. There it is. And we can go ahead and send it. Remember, we're on our site at the moment. Now that it's been sent, that little thank you message has popped up there, which is great. I'll enable my email in a minute and we'll go check that message has arrived. But over here you've also got all kind of different styles and things that you can do with the form itself. So if I go back to the build over here, we've got a little paint roller over here. If you click on that, you can change colors, you can add styles and things, you can put in custom CSS, so you can make it look like a Divi contact form if you want to, right there. They've got various themes that you can choose from. Let's change that to simplicity. It's just kind of made it a little bit blue right there, and there's plenty. And like I say, this I'm using the absolutely free version at the moment. So we're going to have the jot form on the bottom of the page here. Let's just refresh this page. And I haven't got a problem with that. Obviously, if you want to go professional and create an unbranded account, just hit the remove branding here. It'll take you to their pricing page. And I'm using the free one at the moment, which will let you build 5 different forms, and you can have 100 monthly subscriptions, and it gives you 100 megabyte of available space for your file uploads. Plenty enough for if you're just using it for a file upload button. Obviously you can go pro if you need more than that. But for a free little service, I think that's a great feature right there. So there it is, guys. There's how to add a little contact form with file upload to your Divi site. Really easy to do. Let's make sure that email came through just now. I'm going to open up my email client. And there it is right there. Let's just hit the edit submission. And it takes us to our submitted form. There's my name, my email, the documents that we've uploaded. There's the actual document itself. I'm just going to click on that. And it's downloaded it to my browser. So there you go, guys. There's a way of adding a file upload to your Divi form. I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you have any questions, pop them down below. I'll do my best to answer them for you or make a demo video. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.